Both are fundamentally chain reactions.
That ability to see underlying structures, that's potentially a huge advantage.
It suggests AI might actually be inherently better at pattern recognition and analogy, key parts of creativity, than we are, simply because of how it's built.
Okay, so armed with this understanding, the speed, the cloning, the unique creativity, let's pivot to the risks. The source material is clear. There are two distinct types.
Yes, and it's crucial to separate them. Most media buzz focuses on the first type, human misuse.
The short-term stuff we're already seeing.
Pretty much. Bad actors using powerful tools badly. We just need to acknowledge the facts here. Cyber attacks using LLMs to craft better phishing emails, more believable scams.
The source cited that crazy number, a 12,200% increase just between 2023 and 2024.
Astonishing. And then there's the deepfake problem. Voice clones, image clones, used for scams, fake endorsements, misinformation. It's constant.
The whack-a-mole problem on social media, you take one down, two more pop up. And the source mentioned the heartbreak, people losing life savings.
It's awful. And it gets worse. AI lowers the barrier for creating things like new biological viruses. Yeah. One person, relatively cheaply, can potentially design something really dangerous now.
That's terrifying. And we haven't even touched the social media algorithms.
Right, the profit motive. Platforms like YouTube, Facebook. Their algorithms learn that extreme content, stuff that makes you angry, that confirms your biases, that keeps you clicking.
That righteous indignation feedback loop.
Exactly. It drives polarization, creates echo chambers, makes society more fragmented, and potentially makes populations easier to manipulate, especially around elections, if bad actors get access to that kind of data targeting. That's all risk type 1, humans being humans, but with super tools.
But that's not the existential threat, is it? The real insider concern, the deeper pattern, is risk type 2.
That's the superintelligence risk. What happens when the AI becomes significantly smarter than us and potentially develops, well, its own goals that might not align with ours?
This is where that stark analogy comes in.
Hinton's line, if you want to know what life's like when you're not the apex intelligence, ask a chicken.
Or my dog, Pablo. He seems happy, but he's definitely not in charge.
Right. The moment AI has the capability for self-preservation, for resource acquisition, and it's vastly more intelligent, humanity's position becomes precarious.
And this isn't just abstract. It connects directly to military tech, right? Lethal autonomous weapons, loss.
Immediately. We talked about war getting easier.
It lowers the friction of war.
Precisely. If a large country can invade a smaller one using autonomous drones and robots without risking its own soldiers' lives, the political cost back home plummets.
No body bags coming home means less domestic opposition.
Which means the incentive for powerful nations to engage in such conflicts actually goes up. The whole calculation changes.
And the most revealing, maybe cynical detail here is about regulation.
Yeah, the EU AI Act.
Yeah.
Hailed as this big step forward for safety, but buried in there.
An explicit exclusion for military uses.
Exactly. Governments are saying, we'll regulate how companies use AI, fine. But they reserve the right to build and deploy autonomous weapons themselves. It shows where their priorities really lie.
Which brings us squarely to the safety dilemma.